Have you ever heard of a human garage? I know that sometimes we feel like we're a human garage, but there's actually a human garage movement. There is an amazing way to not just exercise, but release as well. And guess who is the best teacher when it comes to human garage experience? Dr. Michelle LaMasa-Dawson. And just recently we did a class together and we decided that we were going to do a webinar to learn about this experience. So share a little bit more about human garage, and thank you so much for doing this for us.
It's so exciting and I love it. It's one more tool in my tool belt and you know how much I have loved recall healing. And so
Mhm.
this to me is another avenue to be able to access and to move emotions through the body. And so it started in Venice, California, and it was like the founders of this, they wanted a way for people to be able to help themselves. Well, that is totally what I'm all about. I don't want people to have to rely on me. I want to be able to teach people tools that are going to activate their body. And so with the fascial movements, the human garage maneuvers, it is a way to reset the body. It activates the body's intelligence. It allows the exchange between the physical body and the energetic body. It optimizes the body's natural movements. It's similar to yoga, but it's different in overall philosophy and principle, and it reprograms the body through movement and breath. Breath is more than just life, although of course we need to breathe in order to be able to live, but the breath can help us move pressure through the body. And just doing the stress reset alone, it can reduce 70% of the stress within our body in 7 minutes. And so that's why I love it. It's super quick, it's easy, and it's amazing at moving the body and helping people to reset and to feel better.
You know, we did the class just recently on the human garage and learning about human garage. And one of the things that Dr. Michelle did was teach us a couple of things that we could do. And it was amazing. At that moment, we decided we're going to do this. When are we going to do this? We're going to do it on May 11th, 2026. We're going to open our doors at 6:45, but the class starts at 7, from 7 to 9 p.m. So it's a webinar. Yes, you do have to pay for our time, for Dr. Michelle's time, because we are investing in you so that you can learn a new tool. And who you know, you never know, you might continue with Dr. Michelle down the road, learning and maybe become a human garage expert. And so we're going to get started on May 11th. And it's virtual. It's a virtual session, so you can join us from all over the world. There is a cost. It is $40, and that will help us recuperate all our expenses. And I am just hoping and praying, and I know you will come to this webinar because you're going to get lots of value. But what are some of the other things, Dr. Michelle, that people can experience from learning how to do these movements? Are they really difficult to do?
No, they aren't really difficult to do, and I will guide the participants all the way through each and every movement, and so they can expect to be feel grounded, the release of tension, there'll be deeper awareness. They'll and especially as you start to practice them more. So this is really an intro class, and we'll do some basics, and that is what we'll be doing. And so we'll use breath work. You'll be getting into your body. I will guide you, and you may notice like big changes, or you may notice subtle changes. Something that I started to notice is that my when I would do these maneuvers, it would almost feel like air conditioning in my head, in my body. And so it was really interesting. So you could have some tingling, some lightheadedness, but also the release of the emotions. Whatever you experience is perfect. And the coolest thing about this is that there's no wrong way of doing the maneuver. So even even if you have to sit down, that is the best, like it's fine. You're moving your body, you're twisting, you're putting it into different positions, and I'm going to guide and teach you all about that.
And it's all gentle, so everybody can do it. There's just so much we got to learn here with the Human Garage movement. And I'm excited that on May 11th, 2026, from 7 to 9 p.m., we're going to have a virtual webinar from all over the world. We're going to learn how to do these maneuvers so we too can start releasing some things in our body. And the cost is $40, but we're going to spend an incredible 2 hours with Dr. Michelle LaMasa-Dawson learning about these emotions and how we can let them go without going through all the drama and trauma, right, Dr. Michelle?
That's it. And releasing trauma, which is the best thing. And I have had people do one maneuver and be completely out of pain, which has been
Awesome.
so cool to witness. And in recall healing, sometimes it takes a little bit longer, sometimes it's like that. But to just literally move your thumb and have no more pain, it was just amazing to me.
Well, if you want to learn more about this, check out the link below. Go to the page and it will share a little bit about a human garage, a little bit more, but you have a seat in the classroom. So the webinar. So make sure that you get your ticket right away for May 11th, and we're going to learn and grow together. Thank you, Dr. Michelle, for doing this.
Absolutely. It is my pleasure.
And we'll see you on May 11th on the web. Bye.